For science, we're going to make a lava lamp. You're going to need an adult for this. So grab a parent, a guardian, babysitter, whomever is taking care of you right now, and you're going to ask them to help you with this. So for the lava lamp, you need a tall glass container. We need antacid powder. You can use Alka-Seltzer tablets. But if you use Alka-Seltzer tablets, you may have to do the experiment differently from what I'm doing. So I got some cheap vegetable oil, water, and food coloring. A cup and a spoon. So I have this colored water here. That's what you would need the food coloring for. It looks a lot nicer when you use food coloring. So you can join me now for the experiment. You can watch or do it along with me. Hello friends. Today we're going to be making lava lamps with antacid, water, and vegetable oil. So, in making our lava lamp, these antacids I got from the pharmacy, and I colored the water so that you're able to see what's going on. And of course you have vegetable oil already at home, or some sort of oil. Now for this experiment, usually it calls for Alka-Seltzer tablets, but I wasn't paying attention. So we're going to see if this works with just regular antacid powder. So this has baking soda and citric acid in it, and we're going to see if it works the same. So it's supposed to be some sort of reaction in this glass. So let's see if that happens. So this glass is dry. You want to make sure that there's no water in it, or it's going to start reacting before we want to. So I'm going to do 3 packets, see if that works. That's 1. Now this experiment, you need to make sure that you're doing with an adult. Two. And the last one. Three. There we go. And I'm going to shake it around. Next, I'm going to pour vegetable oil in there. Okay. Lastly, I'm going to pour the water in here to see what happens. What do you think is going to happen? We'll see. Okay then. Do you see what I see? There's a whole bunch of bubbles that are going from the bottom and rising to the top. Do you see that? Oh, that looks pretty cool. Why do you think that happens? Well, what I can see is that water and oil are not friends. And oil and the antacids aren't friends either. So the water is avoiding the oil and going to the antacid. And then they are having a party and releasing bubbles. And that's what we see here. All right, so the experiment is over. What did you notice? Here is the question. True or false? Is this true or false? Oil and water mixed well together in this experiment. So when the oil and the water met each other, they were friends and it was great. Is that true or false? If you said false, you are correct. The oil and the water stayed away from each other, which made this experiment look very cool.